This is just the doldrums of late winter here on AD Nation Day, February the 23rd. Just been a steady rain all day, though the skies don't look bad. Just kind of cloudy. Looks like it could clear up any minute, but it's supposed to be all day long like this. This is just to give you another idea of different climates here at Bearscott Stadium and the tops of the trees there. You can tell it's not, you can tell there's something going on there, a little budding. It won't be, but maybe a couple weeks. I can even hear some birds chirping that we'll see a little tinge of green up there. But it's in the high 40s today. This will certainly help out the grass and everything else, but just a miserable day. I told Andy I wasn't gonna power walk today, but just doing kind of a quick power walk. Got to keep up with the southern gentleman from Mississippi, even though he was complaining yesterday during afternoon trivia. Look how wet the track is. Old Bearscott Stadium. This is what it looks like. No one else here now. You guys have a great AD day. All right. See you for trivia.